Some new developments tonight in the Fulton County court drama after a defendant in the Trump election interference case accused special prosecutor Nathan Wade of having an inappropriate romantic relationship with District Attorney Fani Willis.
Investigative reporter Zach Merchant, you've been following this story from the very beginning. So what's the latest here?
It is. It's just a story that keeps on having development after development. The latest right now, just in the last few hours, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee announced he has set a court date in February to evaluate the allegations. The accusation of improper conduct came in a filing from one of former President Donald Trump's co-defendant, Michael Roman. The motion, filed last week, seeks to throw out the indictment and disqualify DA Willis, Nathan Wade, and the entire Fulton County District Attorney's Office from the case. Michael Roman's attorney alleged Wade and DA Willis had been engaged in an improper, clandestine personal relationship that allowed Wade to benefit financially from the case. That filing contained no concrete proof that could be independently corroborated, though subsequent 11 Alive reporting has revealed records that show Wade was paid more than $500,000 more than two other special prosecutors on the case. Emory Law School professor John Acevedo said he remains skeptical of the allegations, but the fact that a hearing has now been scheduled suggests the judge is taking them seriously.
That there's actually a hearing, and this was not just summarily dismissed by the court, indicates that there's enough information that a hearing is worthwhile, at the very least, to put to rest the issues of and allegations of impropriety.
Acevedo said that judges decide on most motions without holding a hearing, so setting a February hearing date is noteworthy, but he said it could also be a sign that regardless of the merits of the allegation, the judge wants to address it as transparently as possible.
This is inflammatory, and this is such a high-profile case. It might simply be the judge being overly cautious to make sure there's no hint of impropriety to the public.
A spokesperson earlier this week told us that the district attorney's office would only comment on the allegations through their own court filings. Judge McAfee gave them until February 2nd to respond. Guys.
All right, Zach, thank you so much for that new information. Meanwhile, Wade has not responded to multiple requests for comment about these allegations. The hearing is set for February 15th.